Welcome to the definitive guide to grading Indian coins. This video will help you master the global standards of numismatics, providing essential knowledge for every collector. We begin with the Sheldon scale for coins, a 1 to 70 point system. This scale offers numerical precision over guesswork, serving as the global language for buyers and sellers of coins. To identify uncirculated and high-grade coins, look for mint state, or MS 60 to 70, which means the coin is perfect. About uncirculated, or AU, shows slight wear on high points. Extremely fine, or XFEF, has sharp details and light, balanced wear. The circulated grades start with very fine, or VF, where major features are clear but fine details are lost. Fine, or F, shows deep wear, but legends and dates are legible. Lastly, very good to poor, or VG to PO, is heavily worn and barely identifiable. Cartwheel luster isn't just shininess. It's a result of microscopic metal flow lines created by immense die pressure. These flow lines reflect light to create the distinctive effect. To test for luster, rotate the coin under a single light source. If it's a high grade, the light will move like windmill blades. AU coins will typically show a break in this cartwheel effect. The essential tools of the trade include a 5x triplet loupe for standard grading. A 10x magnification is useful for authenticating and finding subtle marks, but higher magnification can create false negatives. Always handle your coins with care. The velvet touch. Examine them over a velvet or microfiber cloth. Never drop a coin on a hard surface, as a single rim nick can significantly drop its grade. Distinguish between a weak strike and circulation wear. A weak strike, caused by low die pressure, results in a flat area that retains the coin's texture. Wear, or post-mint rubbing, appears smooth, darker, and reflects light differently. We now look at the Indian triple threat, 3 regional dangers that destroy historic value. These are artificial cleaning, environmental corrosion, and rim damage. Artificial cleaning is indicated by tiny, parallel scratches, known as hairlines. This is often caused by acid dips or polish, resulting in a coin that is too bright for its age with zero luster. Environmental damage, like verdigris or green rot, is a terminal condition caused by high humidity in coastal regions, like Mumbai and Kerala. Coins with this damage receive no numeric grade. Rim nicks are deep dents on the outer edge, commonly caused by historical storage in cloth bags or heavy metal boxes. These result in a downgrade to a details grade. PCGS and NGC grading protects value through authentication, verifying the coin is not a fake. It provides instant liquidity with international trust and offers protection, sealing the coin against humidity. The path of the master collector is defined by 3 steps: observe, grade, and protect. By following these steps, you preserve the value and history of your Indian coins.